Welcome back to the Dr. Jonette channel. Today we have a face-off between two burgers. Farmer Fred's all beef patty, double cheeseburger, and a Beyond Meat, or you could also use an Impossible Burger, but I'm using Beyond Meat today, double cheeseburger. Let's see which one is the clear winner. Maybe there won't be a clear winner, but if you cook them both up, you can decide. And in the comments below, I would love to hear your vote as to which one you liked the best. For our Simple and Smart tip today, when I have a burger, I love to put a nice thick slice of red or even white onion on it, sweet onion. However, sometimes those onions are too bitey. So here is my tip for how to take the heat out of a bitey onion. Put it on the grill while you're grilling your burger and let it begin to soften just a little bit, just enough that it gets a little translucent. And what I've noticed is it really takes down the heat, down the bitiness, and makes that slice of onion much more enjoyable in the burger. For today's neuronutrition nugget, are these plant-based burgers, these plant-based meats, really more healthy for you than real meat or the real hamburger, the real deal? There was actually an interesting study that was done, and it looked at the nutritional content, the protein content, the fat content, and the sodium content of these plant-based Impossible and Beyond Meat burgers versus real meat. The conclusion that they came to was that they really aren't much healthier for you. In fact, they're higher in sodium than a hamburger, because in the hamburger you control how much sodium you add, and in these they have a lot of extra sodium as well as other additives added to them. So when you think about substituting the plant-based meats, Beyond Burger, Beyond Meat, and the Impossible meats for the real things, consider the contents of them, and I would put them in that same category as I put meat in, and that is enjoy it on occasion. There's nothing wrong with enjoying a delicious, juicy, plant-based or real burger, but enjoy it in moderation, and occasionally, once a month, a couple times a month, during the summer, on the grill, is a delicious way to enjoy it. And the rest of the year, try to follow a plant-based, primarily Mediterranean type diet that's high in grains, fruits, vegetables, your healthy fish, and healthy fats like olive oil. So the results are in. Is it the Double Cheeseburger Beyond Burger or the Double Cheeseburger Real Meat Burger? Since only 2 of us voted, Farmer Fred and myself, Farmer Fred clearly voted for the Double Cheeseburger. He tasted the Beyond Meat Double Cheeseburger and said, it's okay. And I tasted both of them as well. I like a double cheeseburger, and I also like the Beyond Burger. So for me, it was a toss-up. So if I had to say, I think in this limited, very limited test of 2 people, the actual real burger won out. But you do your own study and include your family and maybe some friends and see which one they enjoy. And thank you for watching, as well as ringing that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Also, when you go to my website, growwithdrjonette.com, you will be able to find this recipe as well as so many other healthy, brain healthy, body healthy recipes, both vegan and non-vegan, as Farmer Fred is a carnivore and he loves his meat. I try to limit it, but sometimes it's a little hard. And I love my plant-based diet. So you're going to be able to have lots of recipes that are both plant-based as well as some meat-based. We'll see you next time on the Dr. Jonette channel. Don't forget, I would love to hear your comments when you make this recipe.